Are you tired of disorganized product catalogs? Want a solution that centralizes everything? Books365 All-in-One Advanced ERP offers comprehensive management for any complex catalog. Whether it's products, raw materials, assets, parts, or equipment, it handles them all. Imagine a detailed item matrix. This matrix includes attributes, variants, specifications, and more. You can specify origin, grade, size, packaging, material, color, and content. Next, let's discuss multi-level categorization. You can organize items using item groups and categories. This structure simplifies finding what you need. Want custom access controls? You can configure catalog access control by business units, users, and business partners. This way, users only see what they need. Additionally, set unique codes for items. These include SKU code, GTIN, and part numbers. This keeps your catalog accurate and organized. A standardized naming convention ensures consistency. This feature eliminates duplication and promotes clarity across your organization. Centralized catalog management is powerful. Books365 Advanced ERP Comprehensive Catalog Management enables you to efficiently manage any number of records with ease. Centralized catalog provides business dimension or process-specific access across connected applications. This approach saves time and enhances integrity and productivity. What can you do with the catalog e-commerce settings? You gain access to advanced features specific to your B2B, B2C, marketplace e-commerce applications. These features make your e-commerce applications informative and user-friendly. Books365 also comes with pre-built fields for advanced ERP needs. Need more information? You can add custom fields as required. Authorized users only access specific catalog management features. All access controls are managed centrally. This enhances security and confidentiality. In summary, Books365 provides a comprehensive catalog management solution. With detailed item matrices and structured access, your organization required across all connected applications. Ready to streamline your catalog management? Visit our website to learn more about Books365 All-in-One Advanced ERP today. Contact us today at start@books365.in.